How to cancel Uber Eats order. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can cancel Uber Eats order, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to cancel Uber Eats order, you can just try opening the Uber Eats application that you can find here. Once you launch the Uber Eats app, what you can do is, first of all, you have to understand one thing. The process of ordering food actually depends upon what stage the order is in, because if the order has already been prepared by the restaurant from where you ordered the food, in that case you cannot cancel it, and even if you try to cancel it, you will likely have to incur a certain amount of fee. However, if the rider or the person who accepted your order has only just seen it, not went ahead and then ordered the food to the restaurant, in that case it could still be cancelable. This really depends upon how long it has already been. Now, if you want to cancel it, fortunately, if you're lucky, once you launch the Uber Eats app, click the account icon from the bottom right of the screen over here. Once you click the account icon, if you look at the very top of the screen, you'll find the option called orders. Make sure to go to the orders tab, and over here you should be able to see a list of orders that you have made. So of course, if there is a certain order that is cancelable, then you'll find the cancel button right next to it. Otherwise, it is not cancelable. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.